Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a Ryobi 25cc 2543Y. I'm going to be replacing the pullcord assembly. This is the one that we're going to be looking at to replace. As you can see, the pullcord's all the way out. So yeah, let's get some tools together and let's get the old one off and get the new one on. And just spray it with some WD-40. Right, now we'll get perfect. There's one out. Two. That's the third one. One more to go, and then we right, there we have it. That's the pullcord assembly off and the shaft off. Let's just unplug, disconnect this. Yep. Yeah, I need to disconnect. Right, I need to disconnect. As you can see, I've just got the clutch hub assembly off. I've just to take the clutch off, and then I've just to take the outer casing off with the screws, and then yeah. Spray it all with WD-40 just to get it off, and yeah. Now I need to get a hammer and a sort of soft screwdriver to try and see which way that will come off. So yeah, once I've done that, I'll come back to you. Right, so as you can see, guys, we've got it all back to. We've got the clutch plate off and the clutch off. So now all we need to do is just take off the outer casing and then put the new casing on. So let me. Right, now you can see I have the hole in the the old pull cord assembly off, and yeah, all we need to do now is we've got this off, and we just need to try and get this back bit off, because I think somebody's had this off before and then they've damaged it. So yeah, we need to try and figure out how we can get this off. So yeah, I'll maybe try and cut that with an axle, a junior axle. Once I've done that, I'll come back to you. We have the old pull cord assembly off now, and it's, yeah, it's totally goosed. Yeah, totally goosed inside. The spring's gone. So yeah, and yeah, so yeah, someone's had this apart before, because they've bent the two. As you can see, that lip there and that lip and that lip are inside, and it should be sitting on top, but it's not. So yeah, so fiddle fairies have been in there. So just going to give this a clean up. This is a good clean up, and spray it with some WD-40. Give it a happy birthday. Good happy birthday. Yeah, give it a right good clean up, and then we'll put the new pull cord assembly on, and yeah, give it a right good clean up. Yeah, rag. Rag. I need some rag. Yeah, some of that. Sorry about that. Just give this a clean up, and then I'll get back to you. Right, we have the new assembly on now, and yeah, we're just going to get it all tightened back up. So once I get that, yeah, I'm going to get all that tightened up now. So yeah, get all this tightened up, and yeah, get on with it. Now then, where is the, yeah, oh, sugar. I'll put these three in first, and then once I've got it all back together, I'll put the arm and that back on, the throttle, send it back on. Right. Right guys, so I've got all the throttle assembly back on and it's all working as it should. So yeah, so now all we need to do is put the clutch plate, put all the clutch and the clutch plate and the clutch hub assembly back on, and then put it all back together, and then yeah. Yeah. So that's the clutch and that back on. Now we just need to put the clutch hub. Yeah. For some reason they're supposed to fit in there. Yeah. Now this is going to fight me every step of the way. Right, now we have the clutch hub assembly back on. I believe it's just sits on top like that. I'm not too sure. Yeah, but it seems to be working anyway. We'll soon see once we get the rest of it back together. So what we'll do now is we'll get the rest of it back to get the main bit back together, and then we'll see. We'll go from there. Case of dropsies today. Severe case of dropsies today for some reason. Oh, pardon me, sorry about that. Right, so we've got it all back, we've got the shaft back together. Yeah, we just need to connect it up. Connect it up. Connect your cables up. So, yeah. That's one. That's two. Yeah. So, I just need to make up some 50 to 1 fuel. I'll just put this back on off on camera, and because I'll probably need to get a new one because I had to break this part off for here. So yeah, the 2 screws will probably hold it, or the 1 screw will probably hold it for now until I can get another back case for it. So once I've done that, I'll come back to you. Right guys, that's it all back together. The only thing is, it's like I said, the clutch hub assembly is not down far enough, because I went to pull it and it's awfully tight in here, so I maybe need to order a new clutch hub assembly and clutch. So yeah, so I'll post this for now and then I'll get back to you. I do have one bit of mail to announce as well, so I'm just going to get that. I received a new sticker in the post, which was from a good friend. It's Alexander Smith. He does coin collections and he does giveaways every now and again. I'll leave the link to his description. I'll leave the link in the description box below for his channel. This is my sticker all so far. There's a new sticker there, Alexander Smith. Go and check his channel out. I'll leave the link. I'll leave his channel description in the description box below. So I need to wait now on a new part. I need to order a new clutch hub assembly and clutch. So yeah, once I get that in, I'll get back to it. There will be a part 2. Yeah. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that will tell you every time I've uploaded a new video. Until then, be lucky.